Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Thrustmaster to PS5, Xbox, or PC. Alright, let's begin. First, remember that wheels are console locked. Thrustmaster T300 and T80 work on PlayStation and PC. Logitech G920 works on Xbox and PC. If you mix them, they will not work. For PS5, set the Thrustmaster base switch to PS4 mode. Plug the USB into the console, wait for the wheel to calibrate, then press the PS button to assign your profile. For Xbox, plug the Logitech G920 into the console, let it calibrate, then press the Xbox button to sign in. For PC, switch Thrustmaster to PS3 mode and install official drivers from Thrustmaster or Logitech. Logitech G733 and G535 headsets work on PS5 and PC with the USB dongle, but not on Xbox. So that's basically how you can connect Thrustmaster to PS5, Xbox, or PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!